very popular series. On it, I think it's from the Tyler Perry Studios. I don't know, they did another season near Gator, but the haves and the have-nots. Yes. The haves and the have-nots. Of course, it's simply like it sounds. Aria menasio
naria matari
naria githua agwetaga
no ndocio ni wakuma demina mathathi.
It is historical. Na tene na haria kwerago muriganio withari tha ciakoragwo ho okoro mwire voke
imwe
because you are facing similar
challenges.
Yes, you could relate. Ati hadu ha mararire ne tuna ne mutuke
nuthu.
Yes. But if your neighbor was a have and you are the have not, daradi ti dali na kindu gitagwo empathy. Yati ni mukurarira werago wa nyineka atia rarira
ni ukurarira.
Yes. And in that light wakorare migunda ni yakwiraga piu goko andu maikarite atia. You see goko uguo gwa kawaida ri ti maita maige person ya twikaga black
itunda ria passion.
Yes.
Itunda ria passion riruire iguru mweko
no riko yure handu ungikinyira ni ukobofa ne Zayuni
ati hau no nyoni ngikinya,
and you would spend an entire Sunday afternoon kureikiria thoi
na gufigara utare uri ongire harurukia.
Yes. Waitanga wakoraga, you know, it was very rare rogo especially tugikura ukorate mucungwa uciarite ta muhua na nduratuo
ucio no uraririo na banga.
And you see waitanga wakora mudari ni uri thiringi through when you the gege mwekira ha face ni undu wa PR
o mwena uria wi bara.
Yes, uko kimukahanda ki ni kongo na Carolina
natural vegetation
na nyanya joy.
Yes. Kana kumwe you just have an imaginary boundary.
Yes, you just know you do as a trench sort of muka kuhanda ginya
hana mukamenya tukinyagia haha.
Yes,
ungithimana na mutarako uria hau niho muha.
Yes. Riu wakora ugo kwa halves ri have not nigetha makwa some of their delicacies ri you would either use the old school way of stealing or you employ heavy
diplomacy.
Yes. Utamudhoni ugo gutwira uhoro wa kwao kumbe watu walireformia tu in Nairobi.
No, people have stolen, especially edibles. Almost everyone.
Yes. Tondu ajiona ni waikara uguo kona neighbor wanyu riu ni meikaritie wega matikona cravings indo cia mugunda. Ugathikia ndakwanyu no target ti kwanyu niku
nekuria.
Yes. You plan a haste. Especially mathaa maria namenya itonga itingiaruka mugunda. Yes.
Ukamenya mama ni nyaru marekereirio guo ma.
Ya maria matunda maria magithungu ngai. Inda cia githungu ni iria watura karima iguru wa gucia giuka giothe. It's a soft passion. Ngai macie yeru ngai.
Itu beta go nyoro.
Beta odede. Itu nyoro ne irigu. Yes. Ugataima kamenya riu. Ugigwa makia kamemeri. They have now settled.
Ni mareketie mawira ma mugunda. Riu ni masetwo mucii. Metereire sapa.
You just make sure you don't go near the compound muno so that the dogs don't pick you up.
Your movement.
Your smell. Yes. And the cows don't get jittery.
Yajie kwania.
Ewe moria nege kule mugunda.
Noe mugunda icio ng'ombe ni ciona mundu.
Ciani icio ngoro ici gamba go. So you would map out during the day, and the vantage point wale kwanyu mote iguru, so that you can see, you can observe. Now no na ginya jire tu mete iguru. You can map. The
Waja boys.
What do you call the sweet banana? Wangai.
Wangai.
Yes. Kawangai na mwena mugi mama agai.
Ni mweru.
And these idiots cannot even notice. The meiga nidia ya agai oi.
Kwa irigo nä rä ekä na rä keruhä ra igå rå kwanyu nä makararirie piå
makirega piå tå tumia twarä gå kurumana tå kurumanaga ka tå gabuthä ra nuthu
na må rigainie how you have everything
even their plants pollinate yours
tä ri nä å rä omwe
rä u kamapa u tå kamenya at dusk the haste is on. One, I got out there the diplomacy teno ya muthoni uyu wa digital ni ukagera kwao ukiharagirira mahuti ma mburi so that you can have an excuse
ya kumauma na mugunda for one.
Yes.
Ndugukira bara
kaiwa masi aya kayoko aya alwago tu mahuti
ndona ndimutwire mahuti ma mburi
kaburi kau kanyu ndaigua kania muno ndaigua ndakaharirire ni weka we ai
kimeikirie
nyokwa ri okuo mugeithie na riu gucokia no naigua korwo ndaihu na nduma asakara mugondo kamya you have been given the license to steal.
You have been granted access to the property.
You have stay order. Ugacoka ku ukigangaraga with your delicacies.
Ukauga mama nindi ndarekererio njokere mugunda
ai wahetukanaina na thina kiande and you see another scenario you have to be tactical. If you steal it, you don't steal at the edge. And you have to steal and take care of the entire plant. Tondu we rira na thiwatiga mumera ri
ni we neana
ni ukurio nu rari kianda kiri ku muthenya uri
kuria nu rari guku ira hwaini
ore ukithia na mahuti haha sasa maritani
oraga iyo passion yuko
na vika konya oka ndio nario kianda
kana passion ugacuhana rurio rugima
wega kwa jamaa okorate ni mahandite matunda ma thakame uma ku na hemoglobin etahana na plasma na platelets
kwaje gwiko gatuma riu ni gakwanjitie kuingira ukauga kabo tukirirwo cemania na kirumi
pio mung'ang'ana na kioe muhunu. Well, some way were the boys would dare the odds. Mata beramudari. They hack a stupid plot. Ya kuyohio wao. Maafa gora meko mayago kuire. Na idero kerio ruwe. So some would there were seldom cases you would get away with it.
But you wouldn't get away twice.
You see, your mother would even agree you are a terrorist.
Now you have crossed the line.
Now you are a cattle rustler.
Kesi ya kuru ne akinya ya state.
Kodoni masi araguya ginya koruta ko kwena coco muko ni wathi yako kumuheithia story
ne komungetia
ati no atu karu wajiko andu akuru eso
Nengaragu you gutwarire.
Nengaragu you are pretending it is
you are pretending that you are full of compassion.
Ora pretend that ora decorate sunset here as you show.
Ninja.
And you would know you have won. So you get in hand work away at the okay, when you're aware, you have a milk card.
You have been granted the right of a frequent visitor.
Yes. You have an all access. Mudani. You get no idea. Okay, when you're bus. Bus.
Walk where we more access.
Kaiwa. Inamamania.
You.
Is your man gonna make it? Mudoni, Tanaka Mudoni and the Tony Gushonga. Can you then? Shoe if I hoa, take Rosavasi in your house. So did you have Mungani to go come with?
Tavi, you did a Kamuanawani.
You could have to Yanane. Because the upstart children of that home, they would not have time for their grandmother. So you are the entertainer. Well, you know, in a guitar,
como Olivia Canomo atorerego.
Yes. Na otodo dutu gotiare. Dutu maruta na ku umire. Ulikotoka.
Kasa gotiare dutu.
Sasa. Vitongoji duni ndivyo vilivyokuwa nafunza. The haves and the have not. And that narrative is not about to change.
It's not about.
Yes.
Like, 52.